Free apps to download before you come to Thailand to make your life easier. Now, the first one is Bolt. And I think this is by far the most important one, and by far the one that all of you will need if you come to Thailand or if you are in Thailand. It doesn't matter if you're planning to stay for 1 month, 2 months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or just 2 weeks or 1 week. You should download this app before you come to Thailand, because this is similar to Uber. Maybe some of you know about it, some of you don't, but this is similar to Uber, and it's a great app that helps you save money. And why am I saying this? Because again, it's similar to Uber. So if you want to go from one place to the other, you can go on this app and just put your location in, put the destination in, and choose what type of transportation you want. Usually you'll have the option to choose between a motorbike, and you are going on the back of the driver, right? The first time when I experienced that, I was terrified, because you have no helmet. You just grab his or her shoulders, and they just drive, and they drive crazy, by the way. But you'll have the option to do that, to choose between a motorbike or choose a regular car. And why am I saying that this app is going to save you money? It's because you will see a lot of motorbike drivers. Usually they are dressed or they have like an orange vest on, and they will ask you if you need transportation. And with those guys, is usually going to be much more expensive. You have to negotiate your fare with them. And again, especially if you're in the first week in Thailand, I'm being honest with you, they're probably going to rip you off, because you don't know how much it should cost. Maybe you'll think it's a good deal, but most probably is not. So this app is great because you're paying up front. They don't see you. They don't know if you're Thai or you're American or German or whatever. They don't know. Maybe only based on the name that you choose to have in the app, but otherwise they don't see your face. They don't know. So it's the same price, right, for everyone, whether it's a Thai person or it's you, right? So it's a great app, because you know beforehand how much you have to pay, and you pay beforehand, and that's it. So Bolt is number one. Number two is Line, and this is similar to WhatsApp, right? I was thinking about another app that I can give as an example, because when I went to USA, I realized that WhatsApp is not that famous, or at least not that many people know what WhatsApp is, but it's a communication app, right? You can send messages, you can call, you can send pictures, videos, voice notes. So this is what they use, and this can be extremely useful, especially if you stay for a longer period of time. The third one is Shopee. And this is, you only need this if you're gonna stay for like a month, 2 months, if you're staying mid-term, long-term. And Shopee is similar to Temu. It's an app where you can find pretty much everything, and the prices are very good. And usually what I find, that the quality is okay as well. You know, it's a decent quality. I actually bought a hair clipper that I use it for my beard, actually. But I bought it from this app called Shopee, and I had a great experience. It was everything okay. I paid 3 times less than I would have paid in the mall, because I went and saw the clipper in the mall first and then went online and found out this app, and I paid less. However, I must say that there was a Thai person that helped me order it from the app, even though, you know, it is in English. You have the version to have the app in English, but I mean, when you put the address in and all that, you might need some help. But this is a great app for whatever you need. As I said, I bought a hair clipper. Whatever you need, you can buy from this app, and is much cheaper than if you would go to an electronics shop or to the mall. And the quality is okay. It's very... I had no problems with my clipper, so can only talk from experience. But that's it. There you have it. The free apps you should download before you come to Thailand. Also, again, depending on how much you're planning to stay here. I hope this video helped and you got the information you needed. And if you did, then please like it, and also consider subscribing, because I'm going to come up with more information that might help you. See you in the next video.